He maimai aroha, he tātarariki, kia koroheke pohomare Henare Brennan. Arā, e mōhio whānui tia nei, ko Jimmy. Te manu mā tārai no kai tuahuriri, no roto kai tahu whānui, kōrere atu ki te pō. Ono te kai mā toru te pakeke.
The options we were given was to put him in the chiller, cremation, or to have the undertakers taken from the house, bring him to the urupā with one family member and bury him.
Ahakoa ka here a kiko te wā. I raro i kā taikawa no te hora pataka o te mate COVID-19. Ko whakatau te whānau pani kia noho mai te tūpāpaku ki roto i te pauaka mātau a te whakatakataka tūpāpaku.
Coronavirus was never around 500 years ago. So we never had these challenges, our tipuna never had these challenges put in place. So now we move forward, there is no kawa to this and there is no tikanga to this coronavirus. So we came up with our own kawa and our own tikanga, and the tikanga behind it was that we take the mauri from the body, we then transfer the mauri into some taonga we had, a pitcher and a pounamu. We then return the pitcher and the pounamu home. We do karakia every night. Every night we do karakia for him via Facebook. Another thing that's not tikanga, but it's involvement of, we've evolved. So we've had to use these tools and evolve with them. So we do a Facebook Live that has up to 50 people involved in it. Karakia every night for him. And any other people that have died, we involve them in the karakia as well during this time. After this coronavirus is finished, then we will return the pitcher and the pona and our taonga back to Dad, and then we will return the mauri to the body. The body to us is just the vessel. The mauri is the important part to us is the mauri. So we will return the mauri to the body, and we will proceed with a proper tangi burial that he deserves. So that was our tikanga behind what we have done. Other whānau might have other ways that they want to do it, but that's what we have decided to do, and that's the tikanga that we and this was discussed amongst a lot of kaumātua and a lot of different people. This wasn't just discussed about our whānau come up with the idea and we took it to our kaumātua, and then our kaumātua returned to us and they put in their input and we all come together, and that's what we came up with as a joint whānui. So that was the kawa behind it.
Takahia te tikaka, kia orai te tikaka. Koe nei te āhuataka I konei. Ka mutu ko te tāoka mariano, arā ko te mate, te take ka noho ki mua I ka whakatau katoa. Ahakoa pēhea, he mamai tōu ka roko hia.
My advice to the whānau out there would be stay home. As Jacinta says, stay home, save lives. Obey by the rules. If we do not obey by the rules, we're going to be left in this situation for longer and longer and longer. It's just going to get worse and worse. Stay home and save lives.
Henare Te Aika-Puanaki, Tahu News.